Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another media, and we are heading out to Ford's Garage because we are in Tampa, and they have one in Tampa, which is the first.
Yes.
This is the first one that we tried. It was in Tampa.
So whenever we find them, since we don't have one
right
close to us, we always try to eat at Ford's Garage.
Check out the view. I don't know how long. I mean, it's oh wow, look at that side right there.
Oh, look at
It's so nice. That's the pier right there. That's the St Pete Pier. But look how nice. We have an AMC there. Yeah, guys, we're gonna head out now. I think they must have some event going on because there's a lot of music. There's a lot of people dressed appropriately, right? Or like in a certain way.
Going to a tea party that they have like those hats that go to the side.
Yeah.
Or like ladies that wear them to church with the.
I thought of like Mardi Gras, too, though.
Mardi Gras.
Yeah, because I saw some girl with a mask on. I was like, okay. Hey, I see my apartment right there. The one with the lights. I wouldn't mind having an apartment here, though.
That reminds me of Tennessee, the rooftop.
Oh, the rooftop bars. It reminds me of Nashville. Mio's Mediterranean Restaurant. Here's an optical, baby. Some glasses.
Like 4 eyes.
Starbucks. Starbucks. Something's happening in there. All the strobe lights and everything. Oh, it's a nightclub. I guess it's Club 201. Oh, what do you spy?
I spy with my little eye. Ford's Garage.
Ford's Garage. We're almost there. See, it was like only 2 blocks away. We are getting some chicken nachos, which are super good. And we might get those shrimps that we got last time. They're really good. We'll show you guys. Here you have another place called Renzo's. It looks like a bar. Oh, it's a steakhouse too. Parrilla Argentina Steakhouse, downtown St. Pete. And then you have Ford's Garage, right there.
The hotel has like a rooftop thing on it.
Oh yeah, I see it. That's pretty nice. It looks like it's gonna rain, but the forecast said it was not going to rain. But it's cloudy. It was raining before. All right, guys, so we just sat down. We have our utensils in here, and then we have our menu. Those are the shrimps, right?
Yes.
How are they called?
Firestone shrimp.
We got some Coke Zero, because we're so wild. And we got some water to stay hydrated. And yeah, we got a pretty good view. Look, there's the city. I can't wait until Ford's Garage opens in Plantation because they have one there, but it still says coming soon, and it was supposed to open in the summer. But still nothing. All right, so excited. We got the chicken nachos. Look how good these look. Oh, we got our ranch. Where is it? Ranch. Here, ranch, sour cream, and then the Firestone shrimps. So good, baby. Are you excited? You ready?
I already took a bite.
Oh, you did? Oh, goodness. That was really good. I'm gonna try the shrimp now. Good. No, it's not too spicy. So it has a little kick to it though.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Yeah, very good. All right, so all done with Ford's Garage, and how was it, baby?
It was so good. The only thing, I just have a little critique is that even our waiter told us that the guy doing the nachos is not putting enough of the things.
Right.
So like he didn't put enough nacho cheese, he forgot the pico de gallo. There really was barely chicken on there.
There's
but
so much wind. I'm sorry. I'm sorry
yeah.
if you can't hear.
Other than that, it was really good.
So that is that. But other than that, the nachos were good. The shrimps were good. And now we are gonna go get some ice cream. Where? At Kilwin's.
Yes, I'm so full,
But you have enough space for like ice cream?
I don't know. We'll see when
I
we
do.
get there. The smell.
Yeah. For a moment, I thought this was like a Christmas store. I was like, Christmas is here? But no.
It's called Tipsy Mermaid.
Tipsy Mermaid? Oh, there you go. You guys want to come to Tipsy Mermaid? Get yourself a nice bathing suit. Here's your hair, okay? Oh my goodness. It feels like a storm. Woo! Holy moly. Where is Kilwin? Where is Kilwin? My baby Molly Posh. Ooh, this looks so fancy inside. Oh, I got you. Tomorrow. Dropping you off here, me and Baby Boo. Ugh, me and Baby Boo will go to another Rays game. Bark at the park. Looks like that's like a little mini club, like a hidden club right there. Can I go inside here? Oh, $10 cover. Okay, the wind has stopped a little bit now. It's like actually, and I think it's because of that. So. Hi guys. It smells amazing in here. I'm gonna get an actual ice cream. You? Yeah? Okay. Alright guys, I got a dulce de leche ice cream, and then Ash got a
Cookies and cream milkshake.
Cookies and cream milkshake. How is it? Good? Kilwin's, guys. This is a place to come. Now we're headed to the St Pete Pier, which I think the last time we came here, we had just started off our channel. It's been a while.
Really?
Yeah, it's been almost 2 years. We saw the proposal. I'll link that video up here. You have the Glazer family playground here, then you have like a couple of like grass area around this corner. And then we just keep walking. The pier is all the way down there. We got some live music going on with a little bistro with pizza and ice cream here. And then you have this section here. Oh look baby, the beach is right there. It's so close. Someone's in the mood. Okay, here we are. Oh, this is really windy here. Oh, there's the beach. Oh wait, let me see if I can like. Ah, there you go. Here's the beach. Obviously,
I've never been there.
it's closed, but yeah, the beach is right here. Look at it. You look at the camera, you can actually see it better. It's a nice little beach to come, honestly. You should. That is an airplane. Oh, look at those waves. Many waves. It's so windy. But over there, you see the pier. Woo. This explains why there's so much wind. Look at the current. Doesn't this remind you of Tennessee? The rivers?
Oh yeah.
A little bit? Oh, look at the moon right there. It's like covered, but it's like orangey. I kind of wish it was daytime though, so we can see all of this.
That's why I don't like going up there, because you can't see anything.
Yeah, up over there.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of the same thing here. You're looking at the water. Maybe did we get an invitation to the party or something?
We sure did.
Is that where we're going?
No,
We're not. The moon is slowly making an appearance. Little by little. Over there. Oh, there's so much wind. Hello, moon. It looks like the sun. Look at it from here.
it does. It does look good.
It looks like the sun's coming out.
Like in person, I love how you can see like the little branch
Yeah.
lines of the moon. It's so pretty.
Yeah. Well, how are you feeling, baby? You having a good time today?
I'm relaxed.
Right? We're sitting in a bench right in front of Teeth, which is a restaurant by the pier, St Pete Pier.
And we do not recommend.
Yeah, we went there one day. It was okay.
I've heard that for lunch it's better.
For lunch, might have to try it, but the city's all the way over there. Now time to go home to the baby, right?
Yes, we haven't seen him all day.
All day. He's been in the Airbnb. So it's time to go home, spend a little bit of time with him, and we check out tomorrow, so early. Look at the moon reflecting, the reflection on the water. If you go here, you can see the waves are splashing. And the water's coming up. Yeah, the current is strong. I think if we go more that way, you get like really wet. Oh yeah, you're right. Wow, that's nuts. This is a place you want to try. It's called Dog Ford's Rum Bar and Grill. I was gonna bring you here one day. I was actually gonna bring you here the day after I proposed to you, but we weren't here. So, but yeah, this place, heard very good stuff about it. All right, guys. So it is a week later, and I'm finally editing the video, but I forgot to close the video because we got to the Airbnb very late. We had to pack everything because we were leaving the next day. We were checking out and we couldn't finish the video, but just wanted to let you guys know that Ford's Garage was really, really good. We love the nachos. We always go for those chicken nachos. The shrimps were good, but I remember them being better. So I don't know if maybe the location has something to do with it. Maybe because the ones that we ate, the shrimps at was in Orlando. So I don't know maybe if the one in St. Pete wasn't as good as the one in Orlando. But you guys can try it. Maybe you guys will like it. The shrimps are good. I mean, we ate all of them. But I think we could have had like a good dinner without the shrimps. Other than that, it was a great night. Very, very windy, as you guys can tell by the audio. There's just so much wind by the St. Pete Pier. I was actually editing the video and I'm like, I couldn't even hear anything that I'm saying on some of the clips. But it was a fun time. We got some Kilwins. The ice cream is always so good. I highly recommend if you guys are by the area of St. Pete, grab some Kilwins. It's literally on the strip right before the pier. And also walk the pier as well. Try Teak. There's a restaurant on the second floor. We went. I didn't really like the food. I thought I paid too much for the food. But Ash said it is better to go during lunch, so we might have to try that. And we'll let you guys know if we ever do. But thank you guys so much for joining on today's media. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. All in all, we wish you guys can stay, but now it's time for you guys to go, and we'll catch you guys on the next media.